In the video tutorial, this time, we're going to discuss COUNTIF. We're gonna count the amount of rice menu on this table. Then we're gonna count the amount fried menu. So if we use count like this, next, I type it like this. Then the result 0. Why is that? Because here distinguished yes. The menu is distinguished even if there is the word rice on. This text so distinguished. So how do? Supaya kita. Or Excel knowing that we mean every rice menu. Every menu that has the word rice. Okay, let's just start. Then we use the COUNTIF. Well, here we use COUNTIF. Next, the range we select like this. Then we give. See the order here, comma, criteria, which is rice. For rice criteria, we notice here. We just take the back just, which says rice, means we don't care. The front of what? Then we love. Asterisk like this. Then we type rice. Then quote the cover. Then we close the brackets. Enter. Then the result is 4. Menu that has a word, the rice is 4. But if we look here we count 1, 2. Then 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Why is the result for here? Because here, those of us who don't care are. The front part is. Said the front of the rice we don't care. While there was. The rice is. Said the rice in the middle like this. Like line 10 this one's. So that the result is 5. Then add. Asterisk in part. Behind him, meaning that we don't care. What's the front word? The back word is what? In the middle of rice. Anyway, want the front written what no matter. Want the back written what no matter. We enter surely the result in 5. Now we will try to fried menu. Fried menu. Later we're here. Fried it. The word fried is in the middle. Yes means we use this formula that we just made. 1, 2. Then 3. Yes, the result must be 3. We try. The range we select like this. We selection, comma, quotation mark. Yes, the criteria. We don't care. The word in front of him. We type fried. And the word behind it, we don't care about. We give asterisk like this. Quotation marks. Then close the bracket. Just entered. The result is 3. So that's how the wildcard uses. In this video. I hope this video is useful and can be used in case studies that you guys are dealing with. Thank you.